Hey everybody, Valentine's Day is finally here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a little DIY project using these chocolate heart boxes, really repurposing them. If you received them last year or you got some yourself and you wanted to do something different with them and now it has no chocolates inside, so stay tuned. Each of the boys is getting their own little treats. I didn't do too much candy because they're gonna get candy from school. And I made these little candy piñata boxes with the leftover chocolate hearts from last Valentine's. Now you're gonna save your empty heart chocolate boxes, and you're gonna need crepe paper, or you can use tissue paper if that's what you have. And then double-sided tape and scissors. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your double-sided tape, and I'm just cutting it in half a little bit because it's too thick, the strip. And then you're just gonna place it on your box. You can leave spaces. Is that you're gonna take some of your tissue paper and cut about an inch or so strip, then take off the tape, start from the bottom and work your way up. And then you're going to fold the crepe paper or tissue paper. You're gonna set it right there and then just kind of rough cut it for now, and then peel off the next side. Rough cut again, and then you're gonna continue that until the very end. Now as you can see, it's coming along, and I actually got burned with some oil splatter the other day. That's the life of a DIYer. So you can see, I did this one so quick that I didn't really pay attention too well, but super easy. And then, see? And then my boys are gonna open it and they're gonna have their little chocolates.
My turn.
We love you. Thank you.
I can hold it still.
Ah, look at that. Now, wasn't that quick and easy? I would love to hear some of your DIY projects for Valentine's Day. Please let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Happy Valentine's Day.